Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to solve Leet Code's database problem 197 rising temperature with second approach. So we already solved this problem with self join and now we are going to solve it with lag function. So the question is write a solution to find all dates ID with higher temperature compared to its previous date. So this is how the table looks like. So we have a date like 1, 2, 3, 4 and we have to check if current temperature is greater than previous temperature. So for example here it is greater than 10, so we will have 2, as well as here it is greater than previous day, that is why we will have 4. So the output will be 2 and 4. Let's look at the approach. So we will be using lag function to take previous day for the current date as well as previous temperature. So because sometimes it may happen that we won't get previous date and it will be previous to previous day, and then our program may just consider the previous to previous date whichever was there with the lag function. After that what we can do is check if previous record date is equal to current record date minus 1. So if it is exactly the previous one, and check if current temperature is greater than previous temperature, so which is this criteria. So let's quickly write the program. Select star from the table name is our weather table. Let me just copy it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just write id record date and temperature. Let me just run it and I will just write lag function, lag of temperature. So lag of temperature over record date as previous temp and lag of record date over order by record date as previous record date. Now if I run it, you will be able to see that I did something wrong. Okay, I missed a comma. Fine, so you can see it is like the record date and previous record date we are getting in the same thing. Now what we can do is we can just wrap it up in the query, that is queue, and do select id from, we just need a id column, where what we can do is check if record date, so the second scenario, so previous record date, so previous record date is equal to record date what we minus 1. So to do minus 1 we have date add function, and date add function will need dd minus 1. I'll just tell you what it does. So date add function will check what is the format, so it can be date, month, year. Then now we have selected date, so it will just add minus 1 to record date, which will give you previous date. And the second criteria, that is the temperature is greater than previous temperature. Let me run it and date. Okay, so it is working. Let me quickly submit, and it worked and it crossed 88.37% of SQL Server solutions. Great, thank you, see you tomorrow, bye.